Om Shri Sai Ram. My humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our dearest Bhagwan. Swami says, the foremost goal modern youth should set before themselves is to sow the seeds of love, rear the plant of forbearance, and distribute the fruits of peace through dedicated services. Swami insists that we should listen to our parents and elders to march towards our goal of life. We, the youth, are proud to present an incident from the Upanishads where the great sage and father guides his son to realize one of the Mahavakyas, Tattvamasi. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Shri Sai Ram. We humbly offer this e-skit, Tattvamasi, Thou Art There, at the lotus feet of our Bhagwan Sanjay Sai Baba. Once, the great sage Udalakarani sent his son Svetaketu to a guru for learning the Vedas. Svetaketu went to the Gurukul, studied the Vedas and returned home when 24 years of age, a proud scholar. He thought that there remained little else for him to know. His father was shrewd and at once understood that his son's head was swollen up with pride. He wanted to correct him. One day, he called him.
Son, I think you feel you have mastered all the knowledge on the face of the earth. But have you acquired that knowledge by which you can hear what cannot be heard, perceive what cannot be perceived, and know that which cannot be known?
Father, won't you tell me what that knowledge is?
My dear son, let me explain more clearly. Can you please bring me a fig fruit?
I shall do it at once, Father. Here it is.
Now, can you split it into two?
Yes, Father, I shall do it.
What do you find there?
There are countless tiny seeds, Father.
Now, take one of those tiny seeds and split it into two. What do you find there?
Nothing at all, Father.
Son, Svetaketu, can this mighty tree come out of nothing? Only you are unable to see the subtle thing in the seed from which springs forth this mighty tree. That is the power. That is the unseen phenomenon which pervades this entire universe. Have faith, my son. It is the Atma which is at the root of all existence. Tattvamasi, Svetaketu, that thou art.
This is something very difficult. I merely know it, but how can I realize it, Father?
Just do one thing. Take a few crystals of salt and put them in a bowl of water when you go to sleep and bring it to me in the morning.
As you say, Father.
The next day,
Here it is, Father.
Dear son, can you take the salt out of this water?
But how, Father? How is it possible to take dissolved salt from this water?
Alright, just take a little water on the surface. How does it taste?
It is salty, and it is bound to be so. Isn't it, Father?
Take some water from the middle and the bottom. How does it taste?
This too is salty, Father.
Now, do you understand? The Brahman I spoke of pervades all existence like the salt in this water. Tattvamasi, Svetaketu. Atma is the subtlest of all.
Dear Father, how to go about all this? It looks simple, yet it is very difficult to understand.
Now, I will tell you how to realize this Brahman. Suppose we blindfold a man and take him away from his home into a faraway forest. How would he find his way back home?
As soon as he is left alone, he would remove the cover from his eyes and he would go about inquiring about the region from where he has been taken away. You'd go from village to village and ultimately meet someone who would point him in the right direction.
That is the way to find our spiritual home from which we have strayed away into wilderness. Now, do you understand, Svetaketu?
Yes, Father. I bow down to you.
My blessings are always with you, my dear son Svetaketu. Tat Tvam Asi.
Svetaketu became humble thereafter and became a great rishi himself in course of time. This is a story from the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, and we thank Swami for giving us an opportunity to offer this e-skit at this divine lotus. Jai Sai Ram.